Welcome to Web Whiz. Let's say you have a photograph that you want to share on your blog. Let's say it's this one. Maybe you want this to be part of your logo. Maybe you want to show that this is the river where your business is located. Or maybe you just really like the way this picture looks because of the way that the sky looks after the sun sets, and so you just want to share it with your readers. But in any case, you want to share this picture with your readers on the internet. However, you're faced with a slight problem. This picture is crooked. It may not be that easy to see at first glance, but actually this horizon line here is not parallel to the bottom of the picture. If I were to draw a line across from this end to this end, we would see that there's a black space on this end, and that just shows us that the horizon line is not parallel. This picture is crooked, and you don't want to share this picture onto the internet because it looks unprofessional. How are we going to fix this problem? In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the Straighten tool in Adobe Photoshop Elements 9. Open up Photoshop and open your picture. Go over to the Tools section over here and click the button that looks like two photograph frames on top of each other. It's called the Straighten tool. Your mouse will turn into a crosshairs. With this, you may draw a line over any object that is straight in the photograph that is parallel to the ground, and Photoshop will automatically correct the picture to be parallel to this object. In this case, I'm going to choose a horizon line because the horizon line is always straight. Click and draw the line. As you can see, it has crossed the horizon line. Now what we see is that Photoshop has automatically corrected the picture so that the horizon line is parallel with the bottom of the photograph. But we've encountered another problem. In doing so, when Photoshop turned the picture slightly, the picture is no longer in center with the canvas. The canvas is the size of the photograph as a whole, and the picture now is not in line. So there's this white space, and that is going to show up in our picture because once the picture is turned, it is no longer in line with all parts of the picture. So how are we going to fix this? Right-click on the background layer in this panel and click Duplicate Layer. Click OK and delete the old layer that we just copied by right-clicking and clicking Delete and clicking Yes. Now click the mouse tool and go down to the corner of the picture part and drag it to make it larger. Center it so that there is no white space on the canvas and click the check mark. What we have done is caused the picture to be larger than the canvas so that there is no white space. We have cut out some of the picture, and we can even make it a little bit smaller if we want. I might have made it a little too big. But overall, the outer part of this picture did not matter, and the picture looks pretty good. If we were to draw a line over the horizon line, it would now be parallel with the bottom of the picture. Now you can use this as your logo, showing where you are, or whatever your purpose is for this picture, because now it looks professional and straight. You can even continue to edit it on Photoshop. Thank you for watching this Web Whiz tutorial.